What?
We're recording.
Oh. It's so dusty.
It's so dusty. Vance and Hines sent us an exhaust.
Exciting.
For the Rebel.
I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Do you want me to open it?
No, I want to open it. You always get to open new things. I never get to open new things. Woo! It's so new.
That's what she said. All right, so this is a slip-on from Vance and Hines. Like the Vance and Hines slip-on for the Honda Rebel 5 Hundo.
Oh yeah.
You want to hear? So flippity floppity.
Get back up. Look at that. It's so much smaller.
Hello. So this is just a slip-on. So we take off that monstrosity of a thing.
It's all dinged up.
It's got dings, but we got T-Rex Racing exhaust sliders. So hopefully that will protect.
We
this.
do?
Well, it's coming in. Oh yeah, we do.
We do?
Yes. So that's gonna help protect this new slip-on from Vance and Hines. It's so there we go. It's so badass.
It's so slim.
It's slim. Yes, it's very slim.
I want to see what it looks
So
like.
let me move the camera. So this is
louder.
the big old thing.
Look at this.
Got a little bit of dings,
This is what
and then we're gonna transition. So it looks like. I mean, it's just got. Is there any more hardware in it? Let's see.
There they are.
So there's more hardware. So we got the instructions. So I was wondering how this part connects to this, but it comes with the bracket to connect to this portion right here. So it's gonna sit much smaller, much smaller.
So sexy.
So just real quick, what's inside? It's obviously the exhaust, then it's got the bracket, then the hardware that you use to install. I've installed quite a few Vance and Hines exhausts and stuff, so all this instructions look very familiar with the same font. Let's see. So it has everything, muffler assembly block. But yeah, the Honda Rebel slip-on, part number 48421. Be careful, you don't want to hit it.
I'm not getting close.
See where?
Way down right
Yeah,
here.
way down there. So this is a heat shield. So we take this part off. We unclamp this, unclamp here. This whole thing kind of comes off. I'm assuming, it looks like it's just a slip-on. The full exhaust system is up in here. So all this is the full exhaust system. There's the O2 sensors and everything. So yeah, you just undo this, slide this end onto that, and then it comes up, and then it mounts off on this, probably like that, or with one of these things. Okay, she's gonna install it. I'll be editing all her mess ups. Here we go. So she's got all the tools. Okay, but do you have any of the parts?
No, I've left them all over there because I have to take this off anyways first.
All right. So what are we taking off?
I'm taking off this right here, and it looks like right here also.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take that off because it looks like our parts came with one.
Okay, so find out what this is. This is just the heat shield, so we can take that off now. So find out what that is.
Okay, so it says to have.
Well, this is for the install.
1 meter.
This is for the install. This has nothing
I
to
had
do
to
with.
figure that out still.
Yes. So just bring the whole tool kit. You can either just do it by this, or you can figure it out by this. So this has, there you go. So that's what that looks like. It's the
look at
heat
that.
shield.
I had no idea.
Okay, so what is this?
It's a 12.
It's a 12.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also a 12. So remember what I said, this is why they
You
needed.
hold it.
Yeah. So is that hold?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's why you need that. So in the instructions they said you needed a
12 millimeter combination wrench and socket.
yeah. So you gotta support it at this point. So we're probably gonna keep, that's the thing is when you make these installs and changes, is that you need to sometimes just keep the hardware handy because they don't give you all the hardware. They say usually, they say replace with supplied hardware.
Same
Okay.
size.
Okay, so check the back end. Same thing.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I can do it like this.
Sure?
Yeah.
Just be careful while you're banging around, because if you're tightening, you're going to tighten the new exhaust and you're going to hit it.
I think I'm just like at a really odd. I said I think I'm just at like a really odd angle too.
And this is why working on a bike when it's on a lift is really important.
Makes it easier.
Yes. So this is just, I think you're just loosening it up. Okay.
Come on.
No, go ahead.
Keep going.
Okay, so we're gonna keep this one just in case something happens. Okay. So let's do a quick comparison. So get that exhaust. So put yours right below mine. By the way.
Look at that.
So about to here. So that's a huge difference
Yo, totally.
in length and probably the sound. That's huge. So I'm excited to put the new one on.
This one's gonna look a lot nicer.
Yeah, so we're gonna set this off to the side. So now we need to follow the instructions now that we got everything taken off. So it says stock system removal. It says remove the bolt that attaches the muffler to the stock mounting bracket, remove the gasket, stock gasket from the head pipe, blah, blah. So it tells you how to do anything. So install supplied M8 125 by 45 millimeter and spacer and stock muffler mounting bracket. So we need to start getting the stuff out, and it tells you everything that you need.
We have it all. It's this one?
Yep, that's the long bolt, so hold that one off to the side. And spacer and stock muffler mounting bracket. So, and the spacer is that's not a spacer.
No.
That is a barrel, that's a barrel band. Spacer is number 5. It's that one. So that's the spacer. Okay, and then it says install it. So that's what that is. That's the stock bracket mount.
And then
So it wants you to put the spacer there, and then put that in there. Technical difficulties.
Okay.
Phone's running out of space, but we'll make it work. Loosely install it, because once everything gets together, once you put it all together, that's when you tighten. Because if you tighten one thing, this is what I found out with everything. when it comes to working on the wood, the bed, and all that stuff, and then this, you do it loosely, and then once everything's together, you start tightening it down. So it's a lot like putting a car tire.
Okay. Which I've never done.
Okay. So now, it says slide the barrel clamp over the new Vance and Hines muffler. Slide provided barrel clamp. So that's what this one is. So this one, how it works is it loosens up that way. So this is probably why we need the 10 millimeter. So we have a 12. So see how it doesn't work?
Okay.
So we have the 10 millimeter. We took it out. We already took it out. So it should be around here. Are you sitting on it?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh.
So the 10 millimeter.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
why
nice.
That's why they wanted you to do it. So you loosen it up.
Okay. You're like doing everything for me. I know we're not going at your pace. Hold on. What if I'm like tightening it?
You are.
Hold on.
Don't hit the exhaust. You're getting very stop. You're getting no.
Oh.
You're just rotating this.
I got it.
Okay. Love you, babe. So it wants us to put it over the new exhaust. I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit, finger tight, so it doesn't slide around, because you don't want it to. So now it'll just stay. All right. So right now I'm just tightening the band. The way it was set up is that the band, I had to tighten it from up here, and I couldn't. So I would have to tighten it like this, but then it's showing all the stuff, and I want to hide that. So I swapped the little nut thingies. I don't know
what they're called.
The barrel thing. Anyways, I swapped it, so now I can tighten it from the bottom. It's not that hard to do. Tighten M8 muffler bracket mounting bolt to nut. Tighten M6 muffler bolts. Line muffler. So now we have to tighten this. So this is where the Allen key comes in handy, or to make it shorter. That's it. Be sure all hardware is tight before starting the motorcycle. Clean tailpipes and mufflers with warm soapy water. Okay, so let's wipe it down.
Warm soapy water in the soap.
Yeah, because you don't want the fingerprints.
Then they'll burn on there?
Yeah, it'll burn on there.
Oh.
Alright, so we got it all installed. We're gonna take pictures. Down. Yeah, wipe down some soapy water. It's dried off. You dried it off, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna start it up so you can hear it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, don't touch it.
I'm excited.
You excited? It's all you. So T-clocks.
Tires, checks. Okay, cool. You guys ready?
Sound like a rebel. So thank you, Vance and Hines, for sending it to us. Super excited for her to take it out on the road.
She sounds good.
She sounds good.
She sounds like a
there's the old exhaust, and then here's the new one. Oops, sorry. It sounds badass. I love the lettering.
I know, it looks great. It looks beautiful.
Lettering looks badass.
I love this part.
What part?
Like this right here, the back of it.
The back of it?
So beautiful.
Let's take a look at that.
I love it. We'll put a light on it.
Go ahead and put your phone on it. Oh yeah.
Look at how pretty that is.
That's badass.
I love that.
So thank you guys for supporting us. Vance and Hines, thank you for sending it out. And then thank you to all my patrons and everybody. I'm able to, see, this is the rest of the garage. I've been working at an apartment, out of apartment for a while now. There's my FTR. Vance and Hines, get on it. Come on now, come on now. But I'm able to build a bed for my daughter and everything. And I got a garage, got a workbench, got everything set up, starting. But man, she's back at it, guys. She's back at riding. Just don't burn your leg. So how tall are you?
I'm
4'11". So go ahead and stand it up. Put the phone away. Yeah. So she can flat foot it. She's 4'11", guys.
Kinda.
So I keep getting those questions. I keep getting those questions of, you know, how tall is your wife? How tall is Nikki? How tall? How tall? And I'm saying 4'11", just so you guys know. She's in flip-flops. Regular, not regular, but motorcycle boots have a little bit bigger sole. Mm-hmm. So I mean, you can definitely flat foot it with proper gear.
Definitely can, yeah.
Yeah.
Here, like my heel is just barely hovering.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's all the way down.
Yeah. But look at that exhaust. Look at that baby.
She looks good. She
all
looks
right.
so slim.
Well, say thank you to Vance and Hines.
Thank you so much, Vance and Hines. I freaking love it.
And thank you, subscribers, viewers, everybody, because honestly, I wouldn't have access to something so cool like this if it wasn't for you guys subscribing and liking my stuff. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you soon. I'll be seeing you later. Bye.